Okay, this is a quick overview of my Hackaday prize entry, the BIT, a tongue I/O device. So here's the original prototype, and on the bottom you can see the optical tracking sensor made by Pixart. And it includes integrated laser illumination. It's really an amazing little device, basically a micro laser mouse module. On the back I have a conductive rubber force sensor for bite strength, and then an analog output air pressure sensor to hopefully implement as sip and puff. Then all of these are driven by a Teensy 3.1 microcontroller. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. But in this video, I'm going to mainly concentrate on the prototype, beta, second prototype. So here we have it, a few upgrades, same optical tracking sensor, but then this is a laser displacement sensor, time of flight laser displacement sensor, Adafruit breakout board for it. What was this one? The VL6180. It works through the silicone just fine. It gives you a distance to whatever surface is below it. On the back we have two force sensors, and these are configured to share a single analog line. So right now the output is the middle of the scale, and then pressing either one pushes it positive or minus. Right now I have this set up as for scrolling, which is working quite nice. So let's see the controller for this. I switched to a different microcontroller. This is an Atmel Atmega 32U4 breakout. I think they call them a Beetle board. And then over here is just a generic level shifter board for the I2C lines. Since this microcontroller runs on 5 volts and these need to run on 3.3, it just does the conversion. So I've got them wired together with the pull-up resistors there, and then these resistors are to make sure that the center tap on those force sensors stays roughly in the center of the scale. So let's run this thing, show a little demo. So plug in that board, put this over here, and let's upload the firmware, and there we have it. So here's the output from the system. So here's how it works. This is enabled, so if you apply light pressure, then you'll see it gets enabled. And so this allows tracking to take place. Otherwise, it's basically off. So either one of these force sensors will enable tracking. And then if you press harder, it registers as a click. So here's the back click, and then the front click. So those can be configured as right and left mouse clicks or whatever you like. Then this is tracking motion, so if we move this around, you'll see motion, yes. There we saw the actual displacement. Next up we have the range, and so here, oh geez, it stopped.